Alrighty, up next we have our wide back fly. Now our wide back fly is going to look like a reverse fly. However, previously in the reverse fly, I stated that we're hitting that rear delt. We're not trying to contract the back and work our rhomboids, mid and lower trap, okay? This time we are, but we call it a wide back fly. There's a few slight variations as well, and that's our arm path. Now, if I were hinged over doing my reverse fly, you'd see my arms moving like this. So this is my reverse fly, they're coming straight out to the side. Our wide back fly, we're going to be squeezing that back, so those elbows are going to drop slightly because up here, we're in that movement pattern for rear delt. Now we want to get some more back in there. And when I refer to back, mid trap, lower trap, rhomboid. And in order to do that, we have to drop that elbow path. So when we're hinging over, we're going to be holding in a neutral grip as well. So I'm neutral, thumbs are forward or knuckles are out to the side. From here, I'm coming up and I'm squeezing my back. I'm trying to set those shoulders down into each back pocket, and I'm getting as much maximal squeeze through that mid-lower trap and rhomboid as possible. You're also going to find with our wide back fly that you're going to go a little bit heavier than a reverse fly. Obviously a lot more muscle groups involved, therefore we're able to increase load. The big key there, guys, is make sure that as we're flying up, we're not going so heavy that we have to drop the chest and get that false range. Stay rigid, locked on, glutes are tight, and we're getting that big squeeze through the back the whole time. If you start to feel a little bit of lat as well, that's fine. It's big stabilizing muscle. That's all good. So that's our wide back fly.